Imagine unlocking a brand new credit card today and having the power to either build wealth or bury yourself in debt within just 90 days. The difference? Knowing the essential hacks I'm about to share? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact blueprint the banks don't want you to have. Before we dive in, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications because here, we turn credit cards from scary debt traps into tools for financial freedom. Don't miss the next strategy that could save you thousands. Getting a new credit card is like being handed the keys to a Ferrari. It's powerful, it's exciting, but the first 90 days is where you learn how to drive it safely or crash it into a wall of fees, interest, and bad credit. Why are these first 3 months so critical? It's because this is a golden window of opportunity. Banks throw their best offers at you right at the start. We're talking about 0% introductory APR periods where you can borrow money for free. We're talking about huge sign-up bonuses that are literally free cash. And we're talking about balanced transfer windows that can help you consolidate other debts. But all of these have a ticking clock. If you miss these deadlines, the opportunities vanish forever. This initial period sets the tone for your entire financial relationship with that card. Getting it right is one of the fastest ways to build credit and get ahead. Making the wrong moves can lead to mistakes that are tough to recover from. So let's make sure you're in the driver's seat. Now, let's get into the 5 essential actions you absolutely must take in those first 90 days. First up, hit that sign-up bonus like a pro. Think of it like a treasure hunt. The bank hides anywhere from $200 to over $1,000 in free money. And all you have to do is meet a certain spending requirement to unlock it. But if you don't hit that target in time, the treasure chest vanishes. So, plan your spending. Don't go buying things you don't need. Instead, time your big planned purchases like new tires, a laptop, or even paying your insurance to coincide with getting your new card. This is how you get the welcome bonus without spending extra money. Second, and this is non-negotiable, pay on time, every single time. Think of your payment history like your GPA in school. One bad grade a single late payment can stick on your record for years and tank your score. It's the single most important factor in your credit score, accounting for 35% of it. A late payment not only costs you a fee, but it can also trigger a penalty, a PR, which is a sky-high interest rate. To avoid this, mark your due date on your calendar, set phone reminders, do whatever it takes. Your goal is a perfect payment history. Third, keep your credit utilization low. Your credit limit is like an all-you-can-eat buffet. Just because you can eat everything doesn't mean you should. High balance signals to lenders that you might be in financial trouble. The rule of thumb is to keep your balance below 30% of your total credit limit. But if you really want to supercharge your credit score, aim to keep it under 10%. For example, if you have a $5,000 limit, try not to have a statement balance of more than $500. This is a massive credit score hack that shows you a responsible borrower. Fourth on our list is to automate and monitor. Set up auto pay like it's cruise control for your finances. You're much less likely to crash when the car is helping you drive. You can set it to pay the minimum amount, so you're never late, or even the full statement balance if you have the cash flow. But automation doesn't mean you should forget about it. You still need to monitor your account regularly. You check your transactions every week to spot any fraudulent charges or errors. Using your bank's app makes this super easy. Its combination of automation and active monitoring is the key to managing your credit card without stress. And finally, number 5, leverage your perks. Your credit card is more like a Swiss Army knife than a plain fork. It's packed with hidden tools that can save you a ton of money. Many cards offer purchase protection, which covers your new items if they are damaged or stolen. They might have extended warranties that add an extra year to the manufacturer's warranty for free. You could have cell phone protection, rental car insurance, and even travel credits. Read through your card's benefits guide. You're already paying for these perks, so make sure you're using them. Now that you know what to do, let's talk about what not to do. These are the common mistakes that can completely derail your progress in the first 90 days. First, let's bust a huge myth. Carrying a balance to build credit. This is completely false, and it's a costly misunderstanding. You do not need to pay a single penny in interest to build a good credit score. Paying your statement balance in full every month is the best way to build credit and save money. Lenders want to see that you can use credit and pay it back, not that you can carry debt. Another big mistake is confusing your statement closing date with your payment due date. Your statement date is when the credit card company generates your bill. Your activity after this date will appear on the next month's bill. Your due date is when your payment is actually due, usually about 25 days later. Why does this matter? Your credit utilization is reported based on your balance on the statement closing date. So, if you want to report a low utilization, make a payment before your statement closes, not just before the due date. And please, don't forget that a 0% introductory APR isn't forever. It's easy to rack up a balance when you're not being charged interest, but that's a trap. When that introductory period ends, the interest rate can jump to 20% or even higher, and you'll be on the hook for all of it. Always have a plan to pay off the balance before the intro period expires. Set a calendar reminder for a month before the expiration date to make sure you're on track. Ready for some advanced tips to really level up your credit card game? Let's go. First, stack your rewards. Don't just rely on the rewards your card gives you. Use shopping portals and apps like Rakuten or Dash. You can link your credit card to these apps, and when you shop at participating stores, earn your credit card rewards plus extra cash back from the app. It's like double dipping, and it's completely legitimate. This is how you turn 3% cash back into 8% or more. If you're new to credit cards and a little nervous about overspending, here's a great training wheels technique. Use secured autopay. Here's how it works. Set your autopay to pay the full statement balance each month, and only use your credit card for purchases you've already budgeted for and have the cash to cover in your bank account. This forces you to treat your credit card like a debit card. You get all the rewards and credit-building benefits without any of the risk of going into debt. Finally, always be comparing. The credit card market is fiercely competitive. The card you got today might be great, but a better one could come along tomorrow. Keep an eye on what competitors like American Express, Chase, Capital One, and Discover are offering. Maybe your Chase Freedom Flex is great for rotating categories, but an Amex EveryDay card might be better for your grocery spending. Knowing the landscape helps you make sure your wallet is always optimized for your spending habits. So let's wrap this up. Your first 90 days with a new credit card are like the opening moves of a chess game. Play them right, and you control the board for years to come. Hit your bonus, pay on time, keep utilization low, automate, and use your perks. If you do this, you're not just avoiding debt, you're actively building wealth and setting yourself up for financial success. Play these opening moves wrong, and you could be checkmated by debt and fees before you even get started. If you found these tips helpful, hit that subscribe button and join our community of credit ninjas. I promise, your wallet and your credit score will thank you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.